Morning YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. This video is the last of a three-part series documenting the repair of my 996 Turbo that was rear-ended at a red light on the 30th of last month. In this video, we will just simply be replacing all of the damaged parts. So we'll be removing this bumper, we'll be removing the bumper shocks underneath the bumper, and then we'll replace those with new ones, replace the bumperlet, and replace the bumper cover to finalize this repair and get back on the road. So let's get right into it. Now we'll remove and replace the left driver's side shock. And we'll torque those to spec later. Now let's remove and replace the right side, passenger side. Now we'll connect and remount the license plate lights. Shocks are torqued down, so now we'll install the new bumper. We'll tighten the bumper bolts down, and of course they're the old goofy 16 millimeter. Alright, it's just about time to reinstall the bumper cover. As soon as we demask these, the black trim along the base here, and reinstall these plastic inserts, we didn't want to paint those. we'll be ready to put the bumper cover on and then install the bumperlets here. One of the most profound details for me was getting these little tabs off, these little clips off rather, without breaking off these little tabs. And the way I did it was simply to put a screwdriver in the clip like so. Let me get this thing to focus. And rotate the screwdriver to open the clip a little bit, and then have a second screwdriver behind the clip and rotate that to move the clip off so that we don't break off these little plastic tabs. That was tricky. Okay, it's finally time to put the bumper cover on and fit everything up. One trick with installing the bumperlets is the bottom mount location is slotted. So you can put your screw in before mounting the bumperlet, making it easier to get it started so you don't have to fight that little hole in the bottom. So you just put your screw in first, a couple of threads, and then you can just mount your bumperlet and slide the bolt through this slot. So you put this part up at the top and slide it in. Then you just go in with your wrench and tighten it up. Okay, we're all done. Bumpers installed, bumperlets are installed, tail lights are installed, shocks are installed, license plate lights are installed, and everything's fitting up pretty good. Seems to be getting closer and closer as the paint dries. It's like the silver is changing as the paint cures. So I guess in a couple of weeks we'll know exactly what it's going to look like, but it's pretty close. I can still see a slight difference between the bumper and the body, but it's almost closer than it was before, so I'm happy with it. And we'll see what it looks like once it's fully cured. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.